want to give you a little rundown of my setup. It's ever changing. Here's what I got right now. This is the Beat Buddy. This is an auxiliary pedal for cymbal crash, and is cymbal crash and on off. Stops everything. The Beat Buddy has a MIDI sync cable, and that runs over to the boomerang, and it communicates the beat. If you can see the beat right there, the sync, and they will stay in perfect time with each other. It's pretty cool thing. And up here I've got my guitar effects. I got a couple of Shure wireless senders, one for my guitar and one for a head-worn micro, my tuner, and this is my Bose mixer. So here we go. So there's the drum. Let's do a fill. And depending on where you are in the measure, will give you a different fill. That's pretty cool. Here's a guitar part that I've already recorded. And that'll run in perfect time forever. Now I got a little lead fill that I added. This is a bass track. My microphone with my it's a new attachment called the Harp Lock. I play a lot more harp having this on here. Then you stop, hit the button, everything comes back on. Or you want to stop just the looping. The drum's going to keep going when I shut the boomerang off. We'll bring the band back in. I can stop the drum, I can stop the rhythm, I can add a fill anytime, I can add a cymbal crash. Big finish.